The MMC Convention Center Car Park in Springfield, Massachusetts, is a transformative addition to the city's growing convention center district. Completed in 2025, it redefines what a parking structure can be by combining functionality, architecture, and civic space. Replacing the deteriorated Civic Center garage, previously only partially in service, this new facility delivers a modern, high-capacity solution built to support today's downtown mobility and event-driven activity. More than a parking structure, this car park functions as a multimodal hub. It balances high-capacity parking, commercial and public gathering spaces, supporting a more connected urban experience. At street level, the design prioritizes pedestrian interaction with ground-floor restaurants and retail. The result is a welcoming atmosphere that brings daily activity, energy, and life to the convention center district. Precast concrete was central to the project's success. Unistress, the project's precast concrete producer, worked closely with the design team through a design assist approach to optimize efficiency, constructability, and architectural expression. Unistress provided fabrication, delivery, and erection of approximately 814 precast elements totaling 235,000 square feet. The full precast system was installed in just 3 months, demonstrating the speed and precision of off-site fabrication and coordinated field installation. The structure prioritizes the pedestrian experience through a central light well, bringing natural light and fresh air from the roof to the second floor and a balcony for viewing community events over Bruce's Landing. Long-span precast members reduced internal columns, creating open, column-free parking levels that improve visibility, safety, and circulation. These details transform a purely functional garage to a connected community environment. A signature feature of the project, an event space called Bruce's Landing, is a multi-use civic plaza adjacent to the garage. It bridges the scale of the structure with surrounding architecture and serves as a welcoming front door to the Mass Mutual Center. Design features such as a cantilever balcony and exposed staircase integrate the parking structure with this space. Winner of the 2026 PCI Northeast Showcase Award for Best in Precast Parking, the MMC Convention Center Car Park stands out for its exceptional integration of design, performance, and innovation. Produced by Unistress, the precast system was instrumental in achieving the project's speed of construction, durability, and connection to the surrounding community. This project demonstrates how parking structures can strengthen pedestrian connectivity across urban districts. Congratulations to the project team.